What if I told you none of this was real?
Which YouTube channel do you recommend?
Mark J. Draper's channel, of course. Order up.
All those clips were generated using the tool I'm going to show you today called Voshu. This is by the same team that created Headshotly, which does the really great headshots. I did a video on that recently. So thank you very much for the team for providing me with access to this and a stack of credits so I could generate videos to demonstrate the platform. When you log in, this is basically a platform that brings together lots of different AI video generation tools so that you can access the different models all in one place, and you have to go and sign up for them all. And when you first log in, you get a load of really good examples, a lot better than mine. This is all down to prompting. I imagine I just need to get better at prompting the videos. And you can simply hold your mouse over and it'll play. So you've got lots of examples to get started with. These are called the community creations, and they've got a whole tab dedicated to it. You've got my creations, which I'll come on to in a minute, and then you've got lots of different modes. Now, what's interesting about this is almost the roadmap as well, as not all of these modes are available. So the ones I've been playing with are text to video and image to video. When you come in to any of these modes, you get to pick the model you want to use, and there's a lot in there. So we've got Kling 1.6, 2. I keep scrolling down. I was most interested in what I've burned the most credits on is the VO3s. That's the one that's been doing the rounds at the moment. So realistic. And that's the model I use to generate the talking videos at the start of this one. And so you've got all these different videos that you can access. They all cost a different amount depending on what you're going to do. So just as an example, you can just type your prompt in here, but if you're not quite sure how to prompt, you can generate one with AI. So a futuristic car landing, let's say generate, it will now use AI to come up with a highly detailed prompt. Now, it might not be quite what you're after, but it gives you a really good draft that you can then edit and tweak, and it's full of great description for the AI to work with. So it doesn't just give you one, it gives you 1, 2, 3. High octane sequence, we begin with an aerial view of a sprawling cyberpunk city. Scene opens up from an ultra-wide lens. So you've got all these different ones. Let's say you want this one. Hit apply prompt, it pastes it in. You can then go in and make the adjustments. Now, if we scroll down on this one, we've got video length of 5 to 10 seconds, and 10 seconds is probably the max you're going to get out of this at the moment. You've got the different aspect ratios. You've got the audio on or off. It can try and generate some audio, and that would cost 115 credits at 5 seconds, 230 at 10 seconds, and if we add some sound, it comes to 31. And one of the advantages of using this platform is while one video is generating, you can make a start on the next. So if you wanted to try the same prompt, you would copy it because it clears it, go in there, paste it, set it up, and hit generate again. So this one, this is Kling version 2, and this one costs 643 credits. And the most expensive one is the VO3, and that's 2,500. In fact, you wouldn't need audio on that because it can add audio itself. 2,500 credits. So I've blown most of my credits on using VO3 for these short interview style clips.
If you could work with anyone, who would it be? Who would it be?
Oh, that's easy. It's got to be Mark Draper.
But let me show you some of the other features. So you've got text video, you've got image to video. Now down the side, these are the last activities, showing all activities. If I toggle that off, these are the ones that relate to the mode I'm in. So this is a fun little video I did for a Facebook group I'm in, where I generated an image of myself as a sumo wrestler, and someone said, oh, make that a little animation. And so I did. I then added some sound effects and a little backing track of music, and it came out really well. It looks really good. Now, consistent character, I've only experimented with this a little bit. You can drop your images in here, give it a prompt. And so here I had Jedi with a lightsaber fights the sumo guy that I've just spoken about. So it's the lightsaber guy's me, the sumo guy's me, you can't really see, and they're just starting to face off. Now we come on to the roadmap items. So coming soon, product URL to video. So I haven't been able to test that. Video to lip sync, again, coming soon. Move down, they do have AI avatars. These are actually pretty good already.
I keep seeing this British guy on YouTube. He's called Mark Draper, I think. Seems like he knows his stuff. I need to check into him more. Could be a good fit for helping our company out.
You have to talk to Mark. We had a casual chat the other day, just chit-chatting, shooting the breeze, that sort of stuff. I mentioned a few issues at work, and within 10 minutes we'd come up with a plan on what I could try. It was such a helpful conversation.
So to use them, you simply type in what you want them to say. There's currently 4 different styles that you can pick from, and then it'll generate the avatar as you've just seen. The photo to talking avatar, you add your photo, you can either add audio or you can record it directly in the platform. Select the aspect ratio, select what it's used for and the background, and you can see it's taken a photo that I've given it, which is not outside, and it's generated these slightly weird versions of me, but it's had a go. This photo was generated in Headshotly, and then I've loaded it into Vosu, recorded my voice, and asked it to create a talking AI avatar. What do you think? AI twin, coming soon. Create a twin of yourself that can talk, move, and interact. So that's really a competitor, I guess, to Jog AI, which is definitely a favourite of mine. I like playing with that one. It's going to have AI voice cloning. Again, coming soon. You've got text to anime. Did I play with this one? Yes, I did. I only played with it a little bit. It was okay. I don't really know enough about anime to know really how to use that properly. You know, what are the styles I should be using to get the most out of that. You've got video to anime. It also looks like they're going to be doing text to image, and you've got the Flux models, which I've found to be very good, and there's a few others which I haven't tried. So this is going to act as an image generator for you as well. So you could generate an image and then take that over and generate a video out of it. They're also going to include a music generator. It's coming soon. So there's lots already there, but there's still plenty to come. Now, if you like the look at this, I will leave an affiliate link down below. You may also find a discount code down there. I'm just having a chat with the founder to see what I can get off. Hopefully, maybe a $50 off coupon code. So check that out. Pricing is a little bit different to what most limiteds offer. So they've got a slight issue at the moment. It says monthly, yearly, but it's not changing the price on the monthly. But effectively, you can either go monthly or yearly. You've got 2 options at the moment. If you go monthly, you get a set number of credits and they renew each month. So at the lowest one, you get 2,500 credits and you can do up to 1 video at a time. And then on the most, which is $99 a month, you can generate 6 videos at the same time. You get a stack of credits each month. So for the lifetime deal, this is where things get a little bit trickier. This is the lifetime of the credits you buy. So if you buy tier 1, you get the 34,540 AI credits. Once they've run out, at the moment, there's no way of buying top-up credits. You would then need to shift over to a monthly or annual plan. But the good news is, if you buy a lifetime, if you then buy an annual plan, you'll get a 30% discount. So you're going to get a discount, you're going to get looked after. So if you think you're going to use this a lot, you've got tier 1, $161, less whatever I can get you via the code below. And if we go all the way up, you can go all the way up to tier 11. That's over $5,000, but you get a huge number of credits and you can generate 40 videos in parallel, which is incredible. But again, once that's done, you shift over to a monthly plan. I've checked with the founder. At the moment, when you move over to that monthly plan, you don't carry over your benefits here. So if you can generate 40 parallel tasks and you go to the $10 a month one, that will drop down to 1 parallel task a month, with the maximum being 6. Now, I have fed back that maybe they want to take a look at that. If you've bought the lifetime, maybe you want to carry some of the benefits over. They're going to look at that. But as it stands now, whatever you buy here is for the lifetime of these credits. Once you've used those credits up, you need to go over to an annual plan. You could pay monthly, but if you buy yearly, you will get a 30% discount, making it a far more attractive option than if you were to just sign up as a new customer. What do you think to this? It's quite a different structure of deal. What do you think to the credits? What do you think to the video output? Let me know below.